Tired of drinking that adulterated palm wine that barely tastes like the real deal? Well, look no further, I've got you covered. Today, I am introducing you to a hack to make the perfect nkwu, which is palm wine using banana. Yes, you heard me right. Banana. Okay, so let's get started. Using 8 pieces of this species of banana, I'm going to be cutting it into two, as so in the video. Okay, so I soaked this banana. You're going to be soaking this banana for 3-4 days. Yes, so as you can see, I'm pouring in water to cover the banana. Okay, once you do that, you cover up and put in a cool place for 3 to 4 days. I actually allowed my own for 4 days so that it could ferment. Okay, so do you also know that fermentation contains probiotics that is good and helps support gut health, boost immunity, and also aid digestion? Yes, it does. So as you can see, my bananas has fermented well, and I'm going to strain these using a cheesecloth. I'm going to press, make sure all liquid is out, put some ice in a bottle or in a cup, and pour the palm wine. See how refreshing this is. Would you be trying this? Give me a like and comment. Thank you. Bye.